Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Razer Synapse if it's not opening or working. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go to your taskbar right here. If it's running, or if Razer is running, right-click and click on Exit. Wait for it. Now, right-click on a blank space right here on your taskbar, and then click on Task Manager. And here, go ahead over to Details and find Razer. Okay. Now, End Task, or right-click, then click on End Task. Do the same thing to all of Razer services right here. And then once that's cleared, close this one, go to your search bar and find local app data %. Okay, again, local app data %. Now click on this file folder. And then once that's done, find Razer. There you go. Click on it. Now click on Delete. Wait a bit. Close this one. Find Razer and open file location. Okay. Now right click on it, click on Properties. Now go to Compatibility right here. Tick on Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Leave it to Windows 8. Now disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Then hit on Apply, hit on Continue, and then hit on OK. Now, you can go ahead and double click on it and check if it helps. Okay. And if that still won't work, well, your last resort is to reinstall the application. Okay. Uninstall it, and then once done, reinstall from the website or the Razer website. And that is it. That is how you fix your Razer Synapse if it's not opening or working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.